In this video, we will see how the teachers will be able to mark attendance for the students. The teachers can only mark attendance if the subject-wise attendance is enabled from general settings and the timetable is set for that batch. If you have enabled daily-wise attendance, in that case, only the batch tutor or the administrator can mark a particular batch's attendance. In this video, we are going to look at how the teacher or the employee associated with the subject can mark attendance for all the students of his own subject. I have logged in as an administrator to show you how you can see the list of teachers of a particular batch. You can go to Data and Reports, and here you will see this option of Employee Subject Association Details. Here you can check all the teachers who are listed in the second column and the subjects that they are taking along with the batches in which they are taking that subject. So here I will log in as this teacher E67 and I have already set up timetable for this batch, which is C1A 2015-16. So for the subject English, I'll be able to mark attendance for the students of this batch as E67 teacher. Before continuing, let's ensure that in the settings, subject-wise attendance must be enabled for the teachers to be able to mark attendance. So under subject attendance type, subject-wise attendance is selected. Now, I log in as the teacher, and to mark the attendance, I will go to academics and I will see this option of attendance. Here, I can see the attendance register. Select the batch for which I am the teacher. It is listing me many batches because I am a teacher of at least one subject in each of these batches. So let me select C1A 2015-16. So this teacher is the teacher of subject English in this batch. So I can see that subject and I can check the attendance for that subject here. I can also note that here all the students are listed. You can check that for this date, which is 3rd of August, it is repeated. That means for English, there might be 2 slots that are allocated while doing the timetable allocation. For this student, I can mark him absent for either of the slots or both of them. Similarly, if you see for Thursday, which is 4th of August, again, there will be 2 slots. For Friday, there is 1 slot, Monday, 2 slots, and so on. This can also be verified from the timetable of the student and for this batch. Now, let's say that this student, Kaylee, is absent for 3rd of August for the 2nd slot of English for this day. The teacher can click on this slot and mention the reason and add the same to this register. You can see that this slot will now be marked by this symbol denoting that the student was not present for this slot. In case there are a lot of students and the teacher does not want to enter the reason at the time of the class, you can choose this option of rapid attendance. If this option is enabled, now the teacher can just click on the cell to mark the student absent for that particular slot. So here you can check that I am marking the student absent, but it is not asking me for the reason. Although the reason can be put at a later stage by clicking on the cell again and mentioning the same. The students can be marked absent for previous dates or for the current ones. You cannot mark a student absent for the future dates. The sorting of the student can be done based on the name as it is by default, or you can even sort based on the roll number if you have assigned the same to the students. So here you can check when I select roll number, the student formation changes. This teacher can also check the attendance report for the students for his subject. So I can select the batch here and the subject for which I want to check the attendance. The mode can be monthly, overall, or for a custom time period. Let me select overall, that denotes from the start date of this batch till now. Here we can see that the total number of working hours, which is the number of slots for the timetable, which is 43 in this case. It shows all the students and the number of hours that the students have attended and also the percentage. This information can also be filtered. You can get based on the percentage. For example, below 70%, I can filter from here and get the same report. This report that you see here can be PDF and CSV as well. So this is how the teacher of a subject can mark attendance for the students for his own subject when subject-wise attendance is enabled from the general settings.